He's
Well,
always.
where's that Bob come from? What? And he was.
John
and his
Sutton
name was
Jr.
Red Butler, but he was Bob
You know
Butler.
Petey's dad, James Edward Sutton?
Well, how'd you go
Wanna say
from
why
Bob
he's
Butler
dead?
to or Red Butler
He's
to Bob
from
Sutton?
Hayti. His name's James Edward Sutton.
And these over here all the my friends.
Red Butler lived beside Bob Sutton. Where at? By my mom's old house?
It began with a long entrance corridor, descending down 2 staircases before reaching a deep vertical shaft designed to catch floodwater and robbers.
Tomb robbery was a constant hazard, and we know that from documents
What are you
found
talking
in
about?
Medina, which is the
Two-story
village where the
Going
tomb
towards the
builders
newspaper
lived.
lady?
That from time to time, the people
That big old house,
involved in tomb robberies
7-Eleven?
were found out and brought to trial.
If
Woman
robbers
underground
made
pool.
it past the shaft, they would encounter an elaborate ruse on the other side, a false burial chamber. It was big enough for
Where
a
that
pharaoh's
black
tomb,
and white girl
but
be
left
all the
empty
time?
and unfinished, sending
Shut
the
the
message
fuck
that
up.
no one was buried here. But
Where do you
beneath the
live?
floor to the left of the false burial chamber, a secret staircase was hidden. It led to another long
Okay,
corridor
night
that
when
opened
those
up into the
meteorites
real
hit in my
burial
sister's
chamber.
backyard, they also went
This
into that
is
man's
where
house
Seti
with that black
I
woman and
was
white
buried.
That was Bob Sutton's house?
Seti's tomb is the most fantastic. Nothing like that had ever been found before. And although there are other very beautiful tombs in the Valley of the Kings, Seti's tomb is the most thoroughly decorated
That
of
was
all
Bob
of them.
Sutton's house? The white and black girl lived? Yeah. You don't know where he moved to?
See, there were a bunch of black cooks, and see what the fuck that shit is, I wonder. You gotta start.
Farmers put that up.
You gotta read in between the lines here, Earl.
Yeah.
If I wasn't with Scary Earl, I don't see no trespassing sign.
Yeah.
Hey, this used to be a fucking railroad.
Yeah.
You didn't know that?
Yeah, I know the railroad thing. There used to be one in Boyneville that they don't use no more.
Why they cut it off?
They built a new one. See like railroads like that right there, they would come in, you know, and like say like somewhere down this line, that might have been like a
I bet these were all black.
like that was like train depots. People used to ride the train. Like the train would come in Portisville. You know where that ramp is in town?
Which one?
Right across from the fire department.
There's a treadwell.
There's a big old concrete ramp.
Yeah.
Okay, there used to be a building there and a business, and they would load it with bags of seed and feed and stuff like that, and they would take it to different places. You know how like cotton coming? You ever seen cotton in a bag?
No, but I know exactly what you're
See?
saying because I got this calendar. You know, Sterling Price Reynolds, he was over the drainage district in Crothersville. I got this calendar that has, oh, there's a Westbrook, Allison Westbrook. 68, she died. They on the calendar, it's got all these sick ass shit where they were putting humans in cans, and it says they made a deal with Cisco, Sterling Price Reynolds. They made a deal with them that they would start putting humans. Like, we would literally eat each other. Those seeds that you're talking about.
Yeah.
The calendar I got, it's a whole year of it, and every picture of it's some sick shit.
What's Maxine? When they was building Maxine.
There's a Richardson there.
Remember when they was building Maxine, all. See, this is the one that shoot the big one out of.
So they shoot that and it hits people.
Yeah. Well, it hit, and it might hit a damn tree, or when it hit the ground.
Them over hollow as shit, dog.
Whenever it hits the ground, there's so much stuff, and then they stuff in there like nails and all kinds of
So it explodes.
Yeah, well, the ball don't. No, like they'll shoot and knock a building down.
The Siege of New Madrid, John Pope. Island number 10, that's going towards Crothersville.
All these years, I never knew. This is when they fighting over slavery.
Yeah, and now we're still fighting over it because they fucking killed King, and I'm gonna get them motherfuckers.
Now,
Malcolm X too. You know when the earthquakes happened, John Audubon, he just so happened to be in the area.
yeah.
Oh look, we just walked up on a Harrison.
Now, this is the deal right here.
What you call me?
I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Brooke,
Would you look at
I
that?
think, because this was Fred told me.
Look, Missouri Butler and Robert Butler. See that ivy on that motherfucking shit? Son of a bitch.
John knew she was going over the bridge.